Big news from India's Independence Day celebrations. PM Modi just announced game-changing defense projects that could redefine our national security. First, Mission Sudarshan Chakra. Think of it as India's ultimate sky shield, a multi-layered indigenous air defense system designed to protect our most critical military and civilian sites. Inspired by the mythological weapon of Lord Vishnu, this tech will be fast, precise, and built right here in India, with a deadline stretching to 2035. And that's not all. PM Modi has thrown down the challenge to India's scientists and engineers to design and build our own fighter jet engines. No more depending on foreign suppliers. This is pure Atmanirbhar Bharat in action. He also hailed Operation Sindoor, where our forces struck back hard after the Pahalgam terror attack, proving India's readiness to take the fight deep into enemy territory when needed. The message is clear. India's future wars will be fought with weapons made in India by India for India, and the world better be watching.
Here's my question to you. If you had to choose, which should India prioritize first? The Sudarshan Chakra defense shield or indigenous fighter jet engines? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I will give heart to the best comments. If you love science and want India to lead the future, subscribe to SciX24 right now.